$2.6 million. That's how much I've made in the last 4 years with a business model no one's talking about, high-ticket digital products. And the best part, you don't need followers, you don't need to be an expert, and you definitely don't need to work all day to get started. If you're skeptical, here's proof. I've made over $2.6 million in profit selling high-ticket digital products on Shopify, and it's not luck. It all comes down to a simple 5-step blueprint, the same one I followed to go from zero to $50,000 a month, and the same one you can use to hit your first $10,000 online, even if you've never made a dime before. Now let's dive in. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are high-ticket digital products? They're simply digital products priced at a premium, usually between $200 and $1,000 or more, because they solve a valuable problem or create a major transformation. The best type of high-ticket digital products to sell, usually online courses. I've been selling them for the past 4 years, and they've been one of my most profitable income streams. So if you had a $500 course and sold 20 every month, that would make you $10,000. But if you sold a $50 course, you'd need to sell 200 each month to make $10,000, which, as you can imagine, would be pretty challenging. That's why high ticket is way better, since you need fewer customers to scale to 6 figures. Now let's start with the first step in building this business, which is choosing a profitable niche that solves a real problem. Just think about it. In order to sell a digital product priced between $200 and $1,000, it needs to solve a burning problem for people. No one is going to pay hundreds of dollars if they don't believe the product is going to fix their problem. For example, if someone struggles with overeating, they'll gladly pay for a course that helps them finally get it under control. So ask yourself, what problem can I solve that people actually care about? And don't worry, you don't need to be an expert, just experienced enough to guide a beginner. For example, 4 years ago, I was selling an investing course, which helped beginners start investing with no prior experience. And I was by no means an expert. I was just a few steps ahead of someone just starting out. So here's your quick action plan. Open a Google Doc and write down 2 things: the niche you want to focus on and the specific problem you'll help them solve in that niche. For example, if your niche is health and wellness, the problem you may be solving is helping people feel more energized and healthy without strict diets or intense workouts. But before you start creating your course, you need to answer one question. Is this a problem a lot of people have? Here's a quick way to find out. Open up TikTok or YouTube and type in the specific problem you're solving. Are there creators posting about it? Are their videos getting views, likes, and real comments from people asking questions? If yes, that's your green light. It means people are already hungry for answers, and your product can be the solution and the one that they purchase. But if not, you might be solving a problem no one's looking for, which means you might need to change it up. Moving on to step 2, which is creating your high-ticket digital product, which could be some type of course with tons of value to solve a specific problem. Now, in order to sell a high-ticket course, it needs to be high quality. For example, I sell a $300 affiliate marketing course that is about 3 hours long with video content of me explaining everything in actionable steps. If you're charging $300, be sure your course is at least 3 hours of content. Charging $500, 5 hours of content. A good rule of thumb is to add $100 for every hour of content. Now let's dive into how to actually create your course. The first step is to create an outline and script your course. To help you get started, I recommend typing this exact prompt into ChatGPT to get a solid starting template. I want to create a digital course for your niche that helps people solve a specific problem. Can you help me outline the course into 4 to 6 modules, each with 3 to 5 lessons? Please keep it beginner friendly, step by step, and designed to deliver a clear transformation. As you can see here, we're mapping out several modules, and within each module, you'll want around 3 to 5 lessons that break down all the key steps your audience needs to know. Once your outline is done, go ahead and script each lesson. You can use ChatGPT to help brainstorm the content, but you'll still want to weave in your personal insights to make the course feel more original and valuable. Now, before you start recording your course, there's one thing you have to do first: create a slide presentation. This is what keeps your course organized, professional, and easy for your students to follow. That's where Gamma comes in. Gamma is the next-gen presentation tool that helps you turn your course scripts into clean, beautiful, and interactive slide decks instantly. No more wasting hours on PowerPoint or Canva. Here's why I love it and personally use it. It's powered by AI, so you can literally paste your lesson script and Gamma auto-generates stunning slides for you. It's perfect for both video lessons and downloadable resources, and it just makes your course look like a premium product, which matters when you're charging $200, $500, or even $1,000. You can try it out for free using the link below. Trust me, it saves you so much time and makes your course feel 10 times more legit. Now, once your slides are ready, it's time to record each lesson. I recommend using Loom so you can screen record while walking through your presentation with your face in the corner to make it feel more personal. But if you'd rather stay faceless, no worries, you can simply do a voiceover without showing your face. You've already learned a lot and there's more to come, but you might be thinking, how do I actually make sure this works for me? Sure, you could try to figure out on your own, but most people who do that waste months on the wrong things, make expensive mistakes, quit when it gets hard, and that's why I've created the content coaching program. It's the exact system I use to scale from zero to over $150,000 a month, and it's helped my students like Nick make $25,000 in 90 days and Anthony hit consistent $5,000 months. Whether you're on camera or faceless, this gives you a clear roadmap to $10,000 a month with digital products, plus affiliate marketing, YouTube, and brand deals. If you're ready to start earning a full-time income online, click the first link in the description and join the content creation coaching program today. All right, next up, once our digital product is ready, I'm going to show you how to actually start selling it online. So I highly recommend using StanStore to sell your digital product. It's hands down the best platform for coaches, creators, and digital entrepreneurs to launch and sell their products online. StanStore is an all-in-one storefront where you can sell digital products, courses, templates, coaching calls, services, and even send newsletters all in just one place. It literally replaces platforms like Kajabi, Calendly, and Linktree, so you don't have to pay for a bunch of different services. And the best part is you can launch your StanStore in under an hour and don't need to mess with a bunch of tools or tech stuff. Here's how simple it is to sell a digital product on StanStore. Sign up for your StanStore. You can use the link in the description so you can start with a free trial. Then click Add Product and choose the type: digital file, course, calendar, booking, whatever it is. Upload your digital product like an ebook, template, or video course. Then just go ahead and write a short description so people know what they're getting. You can use AI to help with this, then set your price and boom, you're ready to sell. Now you can share your StanStore link in your bio, email list, YouTube description, or wherever. Literally within an hour, you could have your first digital product ready to sell without needing a website, tech setup, or anything complicated. If you're thinking about launching your first digital product, StanStore makes it super easy to get started. There's a link in the description if you want to test it out for free. Once your digital product is ready and your StanStore is set up, it's time for the most important part: marketing it. You could take advantage of social media to promote your product for free, and with the right content, you can start making sales as soon as today. Now, if you want your content to actually generate sales, your videos need to speak directly to your audience's pain points and offer real solutions. That's how you build trust, and when people trust you, they're more likely to buy your digital product naturally. Think about it, all the content on my YouTube channel is focused on solving people's problems and educating them on topics like affiliate marketing, digital products, and content creation. That's exactly why I'm able to make consistent income from my digital product. You're probably wondering, how do I come up with content ideas that solve my audience's problems? Well, I recommend you type in this prompt to ChatGPT. I'm selling, insert your digital product. I want to create content that builds trust, solves my audience's biggest fears or pain points, and positions my course as the natural next step. Can you give me a list of high converting content ideas that will help educate, inspire, and warm up my audience so they feel confident purchasing my digital product? And boom, this prompt will give you a ton of amazing content ideas. You can even take it one step further and ask ChatGPT to script out each piece of content for you. Now, this is just one way to come up with content ideas. However, another way could be to study the competition in your niche. So look for other content creators who are selling digital products similar to yours and then study their content. Do you notice their content is solving their audience's problems? How are they providing value? Which of their content is blowing up, and any of their content that you notice is providing tons of value or performing really well that you could, potentially remake. I recommend just copying the link and then adding it to a fresh Google Docs page. That way, anytime you come across a video from a competitor that you just want to remake, you can just add it to the Google Docs page so you have a bunch of video ideas to remake with your own unique twist. What I personally do as a content creator now is study the competition and see what's trending or going viral, and then I'll usually make the content with my own unique twist. Additionally, tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude are incredible for brainstorming content. You can literally ask ChatGPT, can you give me YouTube video ideas similar to the ones on MrBeast's channel? And boom, you'll get a full list of ideas you can start with. I've dedicated an entire section of the content creation coaching program to showing you exactly how to market and sell your digital product if that's something you need help with. The link is in the description. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually create my content? Let's start with short form video content. This includes, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If you want to go the faceless brand route, there are a few easy ways to create content without ever showing your face. InVideoEye is a great tool I recommend. All you have to do is give a detailed description of the video you want to make, and it'll generate a fully edited short video in under 2 minutes. You can even use, CapCut or iMovie to edit videos using stock footage, voiceovers, or on-screen text. I've even seen creators filming their own content but keeping their face hidden, which works surprisingly well if you want a personal touch without being on camera. Here's an example of a creator selling a $500 digital marketing course, which is completely faceless. Now, if you're taking the personal brand route, your content will look very different since you'll be the face of the brand. And honestly, all you need to do is use your iPhone to get started. No need to spend tons of money on a camera when you first get started. Now, I recommend you record yourself speaking directly to the camera or use B-roll clips of you doing something while adding text or a voiceover. Then you can edit your videos right inside the TikTok or Instagram app, or use CapCut if you want more advanced edits. It's really that simple. Now, when it comes to Pinterest, the approach is a little different. Here you'll be posting images that link to either your long YouTube videos or directly to your product page. It's actually really simple. You just have to use Canva templates to create Pinterest graphics. It takes less than 2 minutes to design something eye-catching. And again, just look at what's already working, search Pinterest for your niche, and see what kinds of pins are getting the most clicks. If you do want a deeper Pinterest walkthrough, I'll link my Pinterest tutorial video in the description below. Creating long YouTube videos is where things get a bit more challenging, but also more rewarding. If you're interested in long form YouTube, I actually made a full step-by-step tutorial that you can check out, which walks you through everything you need from scripting to thumbnails to uploading the video. So I'll link that in the description as well. Now, if you actually want to make sales consistently, you have to show up every single day. Back when I started, I was posting one short form video daily on TikTok and Instagram, daily pins on Pinterest, and about 2 to 4 YouTube videos every month. Now, in order to do this consistently without burning out, I recommend batching your tasks. So use one day to plan all your content and then use another day to film everything. This will basically help you stay consistent without constantly scrambling for content. If you're still watching this, you already know content can change your life. The only question is, are you ready to stop guessing and follow a proven system? I created the content creation coaching program to help people like you start earning $10,000 a month online without burnout or overwhelm. Nick made $25,000 in 90 days. Anthony hit $5,000 a month consistently. They follow the exact system I teach inside the coaching program. If you're ready to turn your content into income, click the first link in the description and join us today.